Good day, students. Welcome to week 3 of CATR 112 Cat Machine Shorthand Theory 2. This week we will be looking at lesson 25. This deals with number usage advanced. Contents: cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers, normal punctuation, that is the slash, the decimals, and the percent, number comma, spaces in numbers, large numbers, dollars and cents. The cardinal numbers. The CAT software has become very advanced. Number conversion in CAT software now takes care of how you want numbers to appear. However, it is good practice using the number bar to write numbers. This has already been practiced in lesson 15, as well as stroking the outlines for numbers spelled out. Practice cardinal numbers. You're going to get the numeral and the outline, the word and the outline. 1. You will remember that you have to use the little finger on the S as well as on the number bar. When you press 1 using the number bar, as long as you have the Eclipse software set to write the number, the numeral, you will get 1. You will learn in your Eclipse software how to set it to get the number or the figure, or you can set it to get the number written out, even when you press the number bar. When you want to write 1, the word 1, you will write W-U-N. This you have done very early in your theory. 2, the same process. You use the ring finger on the initial side, holding down the T as well as the number bar, and you will get 2. To get 10, you use the S and the number bar as well as the O. To write 10, you write it T-E-N. Now write 11. You write the 1 and then you go back for the 1 again. Now there is a way that you can write the double numbers without going back for the other number. That way you write the 1 with the U. Now, that is something that you actually put into your dictionary if you don't have it in your dictionary. All the double numbers, you write the number with you and you put into the dictionary 11. You want to get 22, you can write 2 with you and you will get 22. Same for 33, 44, 55, and all double numbers. That way you will not have to go back for the other number. We'll practice it and see how easy it is to accomplish. 20. The word 20 is written twent. 30. The word 30 is written thirst. 40. Fort. 50. Fifth. And notice I'm not saying fourth, where you're going to get the TH, nor fifth, where you'll get the TH. You're just adding T to the outline. Ordinal numbers. CAT software or the CAT system also handles ordinal numbers efficiently. You can use *T for ordinal numbers, and this will give you for ST as well an ND and RD. Although you can use the ST and which is the S asterisk, and the ND, final ND, and the RD for word like the third, and ND is for outlines like second, and ST would be outline like the first. If you use the T asterisk T when you're writing, you will get all of them. The software can do that for you. So let's practice with some ordinals. First, second, third, fourth. And you notice that the fourth has the T asterisk and the first has the S asterisk in the word. Practice it once again. Okay. Normal punctuation. Numbers will be translated in CAT software only after a non-number stroke is written. In other words, if you write a number and you do not write anything else, that number will not come out on the screen. If you continue writing numbers and you don't write either a comma or some other non-number stroke, the number will not appear on the screen. So when you are writing numbers, if you have 1 and then I want you to write another number, say 5, you have to put either a comma or a space, something between that number in order for the number to appear on your screen. Fractions can be written using the normal slash punctuation. So you want to get a half, you put 1, SL and ish, or SL and RB, and then you put 2, and you get your half. There are other ways to write it. We'll meet that very shortly. There it is. You write 1 slash 2, 2 slash 3 for a third, 1 slash 4 for a quarter, or you may write 1/2 to get the half. 1 and then HAF, and you'll get a half. 2/3, you can write 2 and DZ, sorry, and you'll get the third. Same for 1/4 for the quarter. To represent the decimal, you write PNT. So you want to get 1.8, for instance, you will write 1 PNT 8. To get the percentage, you write PKT. You want to get 2%, you write 2 on the number bar, and then PKT. You are going to get percent. You might find that in the dictionary you have with your software, you may get PER and CENT. You may change it to the percentage symbol if you want to see that symbol. An alternative to that is to write the PKT with an asterisk, and you will get the symbol. The number comma. Now the number comma, though not absolutely necessary because the CAT system deals with these things as well, is written RBG, and instead of S, which is the normal comma, you write Z. Spaces in numbers. Write in space between numbers when you do not wish to have a comma. Use SPZ. So you may have 1 and SPZ, 5 SPZ. That way you get a space between the numbers. Using large numbers. For large numbers, you write hun for 100, thou for 1,000, BL for billion, ML for million, TRL for trillion, and you use your number bar with those outlines in order to get the large numbers. Now you can use them with smaller numbers than this very large number that I'm representing here. So if you want $550, you can write 550 and you get your $550. Well, you also will have to write dollars on that. We'll get to dollars shortly. Okay, so you want to get a large number like 1,650,000,000, 3,075. you write 1 TRL 650 ml 3075, and there you have that large number. Try it for yourself so that you can see all the commas are in place. Everything will come out nicely. Dollars and cents. DLAR and the DLR used with the number bar will give you the dollar symbol. The software will take care of the entire amount. If you want words, you might use the outline for the figure amount. So you write $50 and you will get $50. This is written out. Using the number bar, stroke the figure that you see on the slide, $10, 50, as $10.50. You don't need to write the cents. This has brought us to the end of this week's lesson on figures. Now, you may want to overlook this lesson. It is a very important lesson. Figures can be very difficult and very tricky. If you work somewhere like Parliament, where when they have the budget, you are faced with a lot of figures, you will appreciate the writing of figures using the number bar. Your digital recording will help you with this. The exercises in lesson 25 will be using a lot of figures. Please use your digital recording and practice writing figures. You must be very efficient in writing figures. It must become automatic. You must know which figures to use, and you must be able to use it at a very high speed as well. Please repeat this video as often as you need to and practice as long and as often as you need to. Thank you.